A 2-liter bottle costs $2. The liquid inside costs about 15 cents. So where does the other $1.85 vanish? The answer isn't hidden. It's sitting in your pantry, your mailbox, and every highway billboard you've ignored for the past decade. When you buy a brand-name soda, you're not really paying for carbonated sugar water. You're paying for the machinery that convinced you to want it in the first place. Let's start with what's actually in the bottle. High fructose corn syrup or sugar, carbonated water, caramel coloring, phosphoric acid, caffeine, and a handful of preservatives. Raw material cost per bottle, around 12 to 15 cents. The bottle itself, plastic, recycled, or virgin, adds maybe 8 cents. The cap, the label, the cardboard box, we're still under 40 cents of physical stuff. But the real expense lies elsewhere. A major soda brand spends hundreds of millions annually on advertising. Television spots during sports events, celebrity endorsements, sponsorships of music festivals and athletic teams. That cost gets distributed across millions of bottles sold. When you buy one, you're absorbing a fraction of that marketing spend, sometimes 20 to 30 cents per unit. Then there's distribution. The soda has to travel from the bottling plant to regional warehouses, then to trucks, then to retailers. Cold chain logistics, keeping it refrigerated the entire way, costs money. Fuel, labor, refrigeration equipment, and retail shelf space rent. That's another 30 to 50 cents per bottle absorbed into the final price. Then comes retailer markup and corporate profit. The store doesn't buy your $2 soda for $2, they buy it for roughly $1. That difference is their margin. Meanwhile, the parent company takes its own cut. Shareholders expect returns. Executives take salaries. Research and development for new flavors happens somewhere. So that's why it costs $2. 15 cents of actual product. Another 50 cents of distribution and retail infrastructure. And roughly $1 of marketing, profit margins, and corporate overhead. You're not paying for the soda. You're paying for the system that made you want it, the logistics that got it to you, and the business that profits from your choice. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Subscribe for the next breakdown. We're unraveling the hidden economics behind the products you buy every single day. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research.